In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust camera settings in Microsoft Teams meetings. If you want to make sure you look clear and professional on camera, Teams gives you a few simple ways to check and adjust your video settings both before a meeting and while you're already in one. We'll start with what to do before the meeting, since that's usually the best time to make changes without feeling rushed. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer. Near your profile picture, click the Settings and More menu, shown as 3 dots. From there, select Settings and then click Devices. In the Devices section, look for the camera area. This is where Teams shows the camera currently selected for your video. Open the camera drop-down menu and choose the camera you want to use. This is especially helpful if your computer has more than one camera, like a built-in webcam and an external USB camera. Once you select your preferred camera, check the preview window to confirm that the image looks right. This preview is useful for spotting issues early, like poor framing, low light, or the wrong camera being active. Depending on your device and your version of Teams, you may also see extra camera controls. These can include settings like brightness, soft focus, or other visual adjustments. If those options are available, make small changes and use the preview to see how they affect your image. Now let's look at how to adjust camera settings during a meeting. Join or start your Microsoft Teams meeting as usual. In the meeting controls, click the More menu, again shown as 3 dots. Then choose Settings and Effects, or in some versions, Video Effects and Settings. If needed, click Settings to open the full options panel. Under Camera, select the camera you want to use. You can also choose any available video effects or filters from this area. Once everything looks the way you want, close the settings window and continue with your meeting. If your camera isn't working, there are a few things to check. Make sure your webcam is properly connected. Confirm that Microsoft Teams has permission to access your camera. Also, close any other apps that might already be using the camera, since that can prevent Teams from accessing it. If needed, restart Teams. If you're using an external webcam, disconnect and reconnect it, then try again. You can also go back to Team Settings, then Devices, and try selecting a different camera. Before any important meeting, it's always a good idea to use the camera preview to check your lighting, camera angle, and background so you're ready before you join.